Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the lungs of our planet, and the greatest treasure of nature on Earth. Here, rivers flow like endless veins, carrying life through oceans of green. The air is warm, heavy with rain and mist, and every sound tells the story of the wild. High above, sunlight slips through the canopy, touching leaves that have stood for centuries. All around, the forest breathes, its rhythm steady and eternal. This is a world alive with mystery. The rustle of trees, the call of distant birds, the roar of waterfalls hidden deep within the jungle. Welcome to a journey into the heart of the Amazon. Listen closely. Leaves move gently in the wind. Raindrops fall softly through the canopy, and hidden voices echo from deep within the jungle. The forest surrounds you vast, alive, eternal. Water rushes down ancient cliffs. Mist rises and drifts among the trees, feeding moss, vines, and the countless lives that cling to the stone. The song of the waterfall never ends. It is the heartbeat of the rainforest. forest reveals its creatures, we see only a glimpse of its endless life, a flash of color as parrots move across the sky, the distant call of monkeys echoing through the trees, silent shadows where reptiles rest near the river's edge. Every sound, every movement, a reminder that the forest never belongs to one, but to all who call it home. And then stillness, the soft hum of insects, the slow rhythm of falling rain, and the endless whisper of leaves. Here, silence is never empty. It is filled with the breath of life. Through the heart of the jungle, the Amazon River flows, carrying water, carrying life, feeding forests, feeding skies. Every tree, every bird, every drop of rain is bound to this river and to the balance it protects. The Amazon is not just a place, it is a living system, a heartbeat for the planet. As the sun sinks behind the canopy, golden light fades into deep green shadows. But the rainforest does not sleep. When night arrives, a new world awakens. The voices of frogs and insects rise into the darkness. The river glows with moonlight. Silent hunters move between the trees, unseen yet always present. Here, day and night, silence and song, life and mystery flow together, a rhythm that has never been broken. The Amazon rainforest, not only a forest, but the living heartbeat of our earth, wild, timeless, eternal.